Hello, and today we're going to be following a sequence or a series of steps to learn to draw a snowman. All you need is a piece of paper and a pencil, and we're going to go ahead and get started. What we're going to start with is the base of the snowman. That's the very bottom, and we're going to make a fairly large circle. Now, a circle is the most simple of geometric shapes, so we're just going to take, and it doesn't have to be perfect, we're just going to make a fairly large snowball right at the bottom of your paper. Now you can see mine is even pointed a little bit, but that's okay because snowballs are not perfect. They're just somewhat round. For the next snowball, we're going to draw a smaller circle right on top of what we just drew. Now, in this case, we need to overlap it a little bit. Now, overlapping means that one object is on top of another. So we're going to make the second circle just a bit smaller, and we're going to overlap that right there in the middle. Now, because this snowball, the middle of the snowman, is overlapping this snowball, it means this would be on top of this, so we will not see this line. So we're just going to get our eraser in here. We're going to erase what we don't need, so we don't need that line in there anymore. There we go. So now our next step is to make the head of our snowman, and to do that we're going to do the same thing we just did, but this time we're going to make an even smaller circle on the very top. Now this one will overlap also, and that one's a little bit smaller. There we go. So we have our third one. Now just like you did with the second one, on the last one here, we're going to go ahead and erase this line because we don't need it. Now at this point, when I have everything that I need as far as the shape of my snowman, this is when I like to go back and make it just a little bit darker with the other things that I need. So I'm going to go back and I'm going to curve it this way. Whoops, I have a pencil break. Let's go ahead, and we always have a couple extra pencils on hand just for those kinds of emergencies. So here we go. And we're just going to bring it down, and I'm just darkening it just a little bit as I go around, right on the edge, just like that. And I'm going to bring it down in the middle as well, and back down to the bottom. Now our last step in drawing our snowman is just to simply add some details. So I'm going to start with adding a little bit of snow around the bottom of his body, or her, I guess you can make a snow lady. So we're going to go ahead and just bring some bumpy lines around the bottom of our snowman. There we go. So they're in some snow there. And let's add some details. So we could add some buttons. Color those in. As many as you would like is fine. I'm going to do maybe about 3 buttons there. And some arms, stick arms. Those lines come out diagonally. And we can add fingers, some sticks there, stick fingers. Just split those off into little branches. Okay. What else should we add? Let's see. Well, we definitely need some eyes, so let's add some eyes in there. And normally we have a little nose, a carrot nose, so that's just a curved line and a long triangle coming out. If you want to make it even more fancy, you can add some curved lines onto the carrot that show that it's round. My snowman is happy, so I'm going to add some circles that are moving in a curve to have him smiling. And I think he needs, it looks like he needs something else. I think he needs a hat. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use the top of this circle, and I'm just going to make a line right here, and I'm going to curve it just like that, and I'm going to turn the rest of it into a hat by making this dark and add a puff ball to the top. Add a puffy ball up there, and maybe a curve here and some lines going up and down. Anything that you want goes. This is your snowman, so you can decorate him however you want to. Trying to think if there's anything else that can bring him to life even more. How about a scarf. I think that will be our last thing. So if I want to add a scarf, what I can do is that's going to go around his neck. So I'm just going to come over here and I'm going to make a line just like this. That's going under his neck. And I can add some long lines, some long rectangular type shapes to the side with a little bit of fringe. And there you go, there you have it, there's your snowman. So as you start to draw, remember to start with the largest circle at the bottom, then move to the middle circle, which is a little bit smaller, which will overlap, then move to the smallest circle, which is the head, and that will overlap also. Then add any details that you would like of what you want your snowman to wear.